Peace, what's up? Hang on. Alright, so I made a video here about a week ago about the Libre 14 that every diabetic in the world should have. And last night I was asked a question about it, actually from a nursing student here at Eastern Oregon University. I can see it right up on the hill there. At this point, if she sees this video, you don't have to call me back. It's cool. I miss you, Alyssa. It'd be fun to talk to you. Congratulations on getting to your senior year. Okay, today, the company Libre, I called them and contacted them about the failure that I had. I had one of the sensors fail, and I had to remove it. And what it did was forced me to have to use my old Dark Ages glucose meter. I'm fine doing it. I've poked my finger multiple times over the last approximately 6 days. You know, I'm doing it 6, 7, sometimes 8 times a day. This meter is a rely-on. You can buy it at fucking Walmart. They're, you know, 30 bucks for the whole thing, and you can get strips for 8 or 10 bucks for a bottle. Really inexpensive. Today I have gone to the pharmacy and got my refill. This is 28 days worth of the Freestyle Libre 14. That's it right there. While I was there, I purchased an extra one because if I have another failure, I don't want to be stuck poking my finger. I play guitar, I can't do that. My God. You kind of get the picture. Just mostly for Alyssa, I think, today. This device allows me to install a sensor on my arm, which you've all seen, I'm sure. Like, check out those. God, yeah, you know. And they send these $50 alcohol swabs with them. You pay for the alcohol swabs. You clean an area. I'm going to use my right arm today. I used my left arm on the last sensor that expired approximately 6 days ago, 5, 6 days ago. So I'm doing a real good job of making sure it's clean so that I don't poke a bunch of bugs into my arm. And they give you 2 of these. It's awesome. We'll make sure that I get the alcohol on there real good. By the way, I don't drink alcohol or use marijuana or any type of drugs. Would you be afraid of me driving a car? I get to do this, and this is all it takes. You just push it up against your arm. I hope you can see that okay. And push it down. And I kind of rock it back and forth a little bit just to make sure the tape sticks to my arm real good. Didn't feel a thing. Nothing. Now my sensor is on there. Now who leaves their phone home without a phone? Do you? No. My phone's opened up. I hold it over the sensor. And it is now, let's see, sensor ready. I have about 60 minutes to wait before I can start checking my blood glucose with my cell phone. You know, this technology has been remarkable. What it allows me to do is document everything, every insulin dose, everything I eat on my phone. I make a note every single time I check my blood glucose. Now, over the past 6 days, I've checked it maybe 6 to 7 times a day. I'm sharing all this information with you on Facebook simply because this is a format or the social media network for friends. If you want to post your political bullshit on Facebook, you can read my shirt. I'm able to check my blood glucose at any moment, at any time, any given day. My average glucose over the past, well, let me open this up. Average over the last 7 days is 97, which is where, if you're not a diabetic, that's exactly what yours would be. And again, I'm able to check my glucose at a moment, any moment, any day, any time, anywhere I want. I have my cell phone on me, and I have my sensor, and that's how this thing works. It has changed my diet because I'm seeing how I was eating a lot of processed foods, and I've changed that about my life. There is 0 processed food in my refrigerator right now. We could go look. I'm going to see a nurse practitioner coming up on the 28th of this month, and my hope is that she will actually look at the record of my glucose. Here, averaged over the last 14 days is 103. Okay, the last 30 days, 115. As you can see, over the last month, my glucose level has dropped into the perfect range, 97. I know this is a stupid long video, but I hope that this helps you understand the irresponsibility that I put into the care of my disease prior to getting this device, and how the Libre 14, this device right here, has literally changed my life. If you know a diabetic, encourage them. This is what it looks like. That's the name of it. Everybody has a goddamn smartphone. You can download the app and you have it on you 24/7. On average, I'm actually scanning about 17 to 24 times a day, depending on how I'm feeling and how busy my schedule gets. That is what this device allows you to do. I feel amazing. I'm a musician. I'm a creative person. I have made massive changes in my life. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I know I am, and I get to start using my sensor in about 50 minutes or so. Well, just got done shooting that video, and guess what arrived in the mail? From Abbott Industries. Apparently Abbott is the parent company of Freestyle. I'm going to do my best not to cut myself. This is my first unboxing video ever. Woohoo! Alright. And after I had just gone to the pharmacy and refilled my prescription, Abbott replaced this free of charge. I don't know why it took so long. It forced me to have to poke my finger, but hey, that's what it takes. I have a disease, I have to control it, and that's what it took for me. Relying on modern technology is not necessarily the best policy. Thank you, Abbott, for replacing this for the one that failed. I'm grateful, and now I have a lot of these devices. I have some backup, which I think is a very smart thing for anyone to do. If you have a disease like this, you need to have some security in your care for your disease. I learned my lesson on that. I should have bought one prior, and now I know. I hope you all have a wonderful day.